The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Two reinforced enemy battalions made an unsuccessful attempt to launch an offensive towards Persutravnevoye, Kislovka, Tabaevka and Berestovoye at Kupiansk direction. All the attacks of the armed forces of Ukraine have been repelled by intense action of the Russian forces. Over 80 personnel of the Ukrainian armed forces, 5 tanks, 4 infantry combat vehicles, 10 motor vehicles, as well as 1 German self-propelled artillery system with high-precision ordnance have been eliminated. Russian forces have eliminated over 30 Ukrainian personnel, 2 infantry combat vehicles, 5 armored vehicles and 5 pickups when Ukrainian armed forces attempted to cross the Zherebets river at Krasny Liman direction. Enemy's offensive operation has been prevented at the above-mentioned direction. In total, 315 airplanes and 158 helicopters, 2,164 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,448 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 862 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,453 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,360 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.